This week I've been having a lot of important meetings with our political representatives at Stormont to discuss the issues affecting victims of crime. I began the week by having a discussion with some of our Justice Committee members around the issues affecting victims of crime in general. That included the importance of placing this role as Commissioner for Victims of Crime onto a statutory footing through legislation so that we can have the effective powers to advocate for victims of crime. We also explored issues such as delays in the system, the need for effective and consistent victim data being captured by our criminal justice agencies, as well as the importance of ensuring that the handling and disclosure of victims' personal information by criminal justice system is dealt with appropriately. But as we know, the issues impacting on victims of crime are broader than the justice system itself. I also had a meeting this week with our Health Minister, Robin Swann, where we discussed the ongoing review of the Serious Adverse Incident Review process and the needs of victims of crime in relation to that. We also discussed the importance of candour from public authorities when engaging with victims of crime, as well as the broader mental health needs of victims of crime and the health system's response to victims with mental health needs. I also had the opportunity to meet with our Education Minister, Paul Givan, where we discussed the important role that schools play in the education of children in relation to relationship and sexuality education. We also discussed the importance of Operation Encompass, where police work in partnership with education to help ensure that appropriate information is being passed regarding children. And we also had a discussion around really the significant role that schools can play in both identifying and helping to inform the management of risks to children experiencing domestic abuse in the home. Making sure that our politicians and our government at Stormont are aware of the needs of victims is a key part of my role and a responsibility I take very seriously.